Hello everyone, I welcome you to this video. In this video, we'll learn how the angles are formed and let's figure out what the different types of angles are. The concept of angle is very simple. To know what an angle is, we just need to know what a ray means. A ray is nothing but if a line starts at a single point and goes indefinitely in one direction, then it is said to be a ray. Now let's see how the angles are formed. When two rays meet at a common point, an angle is formed. So, an angle can be defined as some measure between any two rays. Note that the two rays must originate from a single point. What are these two rays called? The two rays are called as the arms of the angle. The ray 1, where the angle starts, is called as the initial arm, and the ray 2, where the angle ends, is called as the terminal arm. Where do we see angles in everyday life? If we look at a clock, we can find angles between the minute hand and the hour hand. As the minute hand and the hour hand moves, different type of angles are formed between them. Also, angles are used in variety of disciplines such as in the construction of buildings, roads, in carpentry and so on. Angles can be classified into different types based on their measures. Let's classify the angles. Acute angle. Any angle between 0 degree and 90 degree is called as the acute angle. Suppose if we have 45 degree, 55 degree, 65 degree, then these angles are called as the acute angles. If we look at the size of a pizza, it forms an acute angle here. The angle formed in between the two slanting lines of a letter V is also acute. Look at your hand. We can find acute angle between the two adjacent fingers. If an angle measures exactly 90 degree, do you know what it is called? It is called as the right angle. The right angle always measures exactly 90 degree. Other angles are represented by an arc, but the right angle is indicated with a little square like this. If we notice carefully, we can find right angles in the corners of a room. One good example for the right angle is the letter L. The crossroads also will remind you of the right angle. Let's move on to the next type. If an angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then it is called as the obtuse angle. Let's see some examples. Obtuse angles are found in between the two blades of a windmill. The letter K also has one obtuse angle here. We can also find obtuse angle in some top of the buildings. Next is another important type of an angle. If we look at this, the two rays, which means the red ray and the blue ray, both the rays are pointing in the opposite direction, making a straight line. The angle formed here is called as the straight angle. It measures 180 degree. A straight angle can be formed by adding two right angles. Let's see some examples. We can find a straight angle in a folded off table, in a compact hairbrush, and also in a foldable cane. Till now, we have learned 4 different types of angles, which are the acute angle, the right angle, the obtuse angle, and the straight angle. Now, let us see about another 2 types, which are the reflex angle and the complete angle. Reflex angle. An angle is said to be reflex if the angle formed is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. And if the blue ray completes one full rotation, then it is called as the complete angle or full angle. These are the different types of angles. Now it's time to recall. Acute angle. Angle between 0 degree and 90 degree. Right angle always measures exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle. Angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Straight angle. Straight angle always measures 180 degree. Reflex